Dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Divide using synthetic division. 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 7x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. Synthetic division is a more efficient way to divide binomials by polynomials. In order to use synthetic division, we must first look at the divisor. The divisor is x minus 3. The number in front of the x has to be 1. In this case, the number in front of the x is 1, so I can use synthetic division. Now I'll set up my synthetic division template. The box in the upper left corner holds the value that makes the divisor 0. So in order to find that value, I'll just set the divisor equal to 0 and solve for x. So x equals 3. So I'll place a 3 in this box. In other words, it's just the opposite sign of the value in the divisor. Now we're going to write the coefficients of each term next to the box. And remember, we have to have a placeholder if our exponents do not decrease by 1. Since our exponents in the problem do decrease by 1, then we can just go ahead and write the coefficients without writing a placeholder. And remember to take the sign with the coefficients. Next, I'll start the synthetic division process. First, you just bring down the first coefficient, which is a 3. Next, we're going to multiply the number in the box times the number you just brought down. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then we'll add 7 plus 9, and we get 16. Then we'll do this again. 3 times 16 is 48. And then negative 7 plus 48 is 41. Again, 3 times 41 gives me 123. And then 6 plus 123 is 129. Our last value is going to be the remainder, or r of x. And the 3, the 16, and the 41 represent our coefficients of our quotient. The quotient can be written by just looking at our original problem and taking the highest exponent and decreasing by 1. So our highest exponent is 3, so instead of an x cubed, we're going to write an x squared as our highest exponent in our answer. So the first term is 3x squared, plus the second term, which is 16x because we're decreasing the exponent by 1, and then the third term is plus 41 without an x because we're decreasing the exponent by 1, so that would be our constant term. Now we'll write our final answer. To do that, you just write your quotient, which is 3x squared plus 16x plus 41, and then you'll add the remainder, which is placed over the divisor. So our final answer is 3x squared plus 16x plus 41 plus 129 over x minus 3.